Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and welcome to another random bargain from the middle of Lidl. So this is what I found there this week. It's this quite handy little 3-in-1 multi-purpose handsaw. So as you can see, it comes with a couple of blades, 2 hacksaw blades it says, a handsaw blade and a pruning blade for cutting branches and things like that. And I'd rather handfully there destroyed the instructions by taking the cover off, but hey ho, we'll muddle through anyhow. So, like any older hacksaw, just loosen this and you'll be able to get that out, no problem. It's actually pretty solidly built, to be fair. It's all steel, powder coated steel, so it feels pretty good. Nice and hefty. So it takes these 300mm or 12-inch hacksaw blades. Good grip there. And it comes apart pretty easy. You can see here's the handsaw blade and the pruning blade. Now normally I just use this Wolverine folding saw. And you can see it's a little bit longer than that, so that's good. The same number of teeth per inch, but the setting is different. So as you can see here, on the Wolverine they're set back, whereas on this Powerfix they're vertical. They're the same forwards and back. And that means that you can cut both pushing and pulling with this, whereas obviously with the Wolverine, with them being set back, it's a pull saw, so it only cuts as you pull it. So it's fairly easy to to change the blades. You can do it quite quickly. And for the handsaw, it's got this second locking pin at the bottom that just goes over that part there. So switching between the two, like I say, very, very easy. And that's pretty solid. That'd be handy to have like just a little DIY for things around the house. But you could also, I was thinking, if you swapped out these hacksaw blades, you could get some timber cutting blades for a bow saw. As long as they were 300mm long, they'd fit in here no problem. And you'd also actually have it as a bow saw. So for $7.99, I think that's quite a good bargain. It's German made, powder coated steel, do the job. Handy little item to have. So thanks very much for your time guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!